And before I start today's vid, I just want to say that sorry I haven't done any vids because I've been doing a lot of schoolwork and I've been doing a lot of spreading. Just hoping that I do the work. Also, guys, I have an announcement to make. I might be making a Discord channel for the Windshack Warriors. So if anybody likes to be a part of the Discord server and part of the group, then go on the description I put on below. So anyway, guys, that's all I want to say. And guys, I'd like to thank you all because I'm almost at 400 subscribers and I might do a video. And also, have a nice day and have a nice happy holidays to everybody as my Windshack crew. So stay cool, my angels, and presenting episode 3, starting now. All the people I have to see in my life, and bringing Isaiah downstairs, I have to see my old master, Eucleora. Great! Days cannot get any worse than this. It appears that you still remember me, Nightwind. As expected. You are so boring. A lackey like me who has to control your Shadow Warriors. But unfortunately, there's the reason why I had to become and join this one. You see, I enter Windtech City and I saw everything from the very beginning. All your happiness, all your attempts, and everybody who is down there. But it all have to change. But now that I'm here, you see these tubes. They're now activating, and now the drains are about to go down, since you guys are seeing this now. Eucleora, you're crazy! I may be your lackey before when I had Jigakure, but Jigakure is dead! You killed Jigakure. People who killed one of my warriors deserve a harsh punishment. A boring punishment.
Wait a minute. Didn't your brother defeat him?
He did. He did defeat him a year ago. A long time ago, before we met all of you. Me and Jigakure were the most powerful beings in the Shadow Warriors. We created our Shadow Warriors head on and foot until we had a war between us and the Windshacks. I was about to defeat my brother, Crystal Fire, but then Jigakure turned on me and he took over my entire body to transform into his ultimate form. But thanks to Kaze transforming into Crystal Fireball level 2, he managed to defeat him, and then he set me free from this nightmare. And I'm afraid I still remember that past. I still remember that memory. It's still flowing towards me. Very interesting. You were the former emperor of the Shadow Warriors, but you had no idea. You had no idea that Jigakure was working for me, and he was using you as a pawn in order to make the Shadow Warriors take over the entire world and universe. And then after that, they wanted you left dead like nothing, like a tissue paper going towards the ocean floor. And the risk of being here. And what do you mean by day unless you're saying... Uh, oh, that's right. When I was down here, I managed to resurrect someone. Someone from the Rankars, if you remember. He seemed to have a grudge against Ichigo. And I guess everybody else too. How boring. Byakuya!
Alright, way to go, Storm. We got past most of them.
Thanks, boss. Let's go away in this team. Now, boys. Remember that we are on a mission.
I know. Nucky, where the hell are you?
That's it. We're in a place called Winter City. It's a place that was built by an organization called Winchix. And now those purple guys are going to destroy everything in the city. What are you doing? I can take these guys on. Storm, remind me to check your ass after this.
Okay, guys, calm down. We got more incoming, so get ready.
Yeah, let's kick some ass.
Any last words before I will your fucking brains out, you asshole Nightwood?
But it's not gonna work on me. Thinking that I would say some last words. And I gotta admit, I really love the robe on you. And it seems, due to the robe and the eyes, I can tell that that's your true form. And I guess I was right. But go ahead, shoot me. Shoot me if you dare, before anything else unexpected... Levi? Oblivion? What are you guys doing here?
No, it's not the fucking time, Nightwood. We got 2 psycho killers looking for us.
2 psycho killers you're referring to?
He means us, you dumbasses. Yeah. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. They're fucking here. We're all going to fucking die. You as usual 9 Iowa 8 4290 H4 Ego 9 UG 94 W8 W9 Up 90 TGN 0 R9 U0 G97 H0 97 J8 OXO 8 TG4 H 0 8 HJ 0 E4 HX 97 970 H4 So G4 07 H 48 Null 4 H8 94 O LR B7 U94 AJA MP4 OX 9J 8 P0 A9 S7 U4 U4 8 GP H8 Po9 Ru 5 07 Ga.
Things even worse for us. Ah, damn it. How could... Wait, I have an incoming call. This is Kaze Nagwin of the Windshacks. Who's speaking? This is SARS Technology of the Windshacks. I can tell that you guys are really having a pickle up your hands. So how's things going on your end?
Not good! We're surrounded by the 4 emperors of the Gokular Empire. Actually, 3 emperors. The others are still fierce against the Gokular Empire, and I haven't heard from Nathan since. So I'm afraid we won't be able to come back anytime soon. I was afraid of that. Kaze, I think it's best you guys to retreat right now before anything else...
Hey, Siles. I'm back. I managed to get everyone back here safe.
Nice work! I'm glad to hear that. You did well, Cosmo.
Cosmo?
Tell you guys later. Right now, let's get you guys out of here. And seize control now! Hey guys, I'm back. Now that I'm back, now let's start to get to the main business. So, before I ask you guys, now anyway, I already know Silver, but who are you two? And why are you here?
The name's Weston the Dark Wolf, and this is Syaza. We came here because someone can attack us here.
Oh, then that explains why you guys are here. But anyway, there's a reason why I called you guys. The reason why we're here because I want to show you guys something. And it's something you guys will not believe. But first, I'm trying to get in contact with Nathan, but unfortunately I can't get his comm. But let's hope he has a good time better fighting off against usually someone here.
Huh? Kathy? Slasher? Cyclone? What are you guys... You guys! Thanks for coming. More boring fools. I recognize you, Sexy Wolf, but do you really think I would underestimate seeing you guys again? You guys are so troubled since you guys are decided to face it. And face me, Nathan. You really think transforming me into you into that form is more impressive. But thanks for reminding me, Nathan. Since I'm so bored using a sword like this, I think it's best that I use something else. Something you knew. And what will that be, Yukliora? Your demise. Ichigo is not the only one who can use Bankai. I think it's time to begin the true beginning of your nightmares. What? Of my Bankai. Let's go to a different approach, because this direction is not going to be here. What I mean is, let's go to a different location. Chaos control now! That's better. Now, let's begin right away, shall we? What is that? Someone's power level has risen up. Levi, Oblivion, I have a bad feeling about this.
Yes, this is bad.
But you guys tell me what the hell is that?
Nathan, got any fucking ideas? Sauce were about to be killed.
Oh, this is nothing I expected before. But you guys are really trying to bore me right now. This is the experience of the new and improved Bankai. This is the powerful power of the Bankai that was released here. Now, feel the breath of the new and improved Yukliora.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand.